How to disable calls on Instagram. So to do that, now after you open your phone like this, all you have to do now, tap on, as you can see now, tap on this message section at the top right side. So I'll show you two methods on how to do it. So the first method is how to disable a call for a specific person. So after you open up your phone like this now, let's say I want to disable call from this person on my phone. So go ahead and open up the person profile like this. After you open the person profile, now tap on the person name at the top. After you tap on the person name, as you can see now, tap on this mute section. As you can see here is it, this mute section, tap on it. After you tap on this mute section, as you can see now, tap on this mute call. As you can see, mute call, turn on this option. So by tapping on this mute call, as you can see now, tap on this mute call and tap on this until I change it, last option. So now you disable call from this person. Now this person cannot be able to call you. So the second method that I will show you is how to disable call on all your Instagram account. So to do that, now after you open your Instagram app like this, now go ahead and open up your profile like this. After you open your profile, now tap on this settings and tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, all you have to do now, tap on this settings and privacy, this one. After you open the settings and privacy, tap on this notifications. After you open this notifications, all you have to do now, scroll to down and tap on this section which says call. This one, as you can see, it says call. Tap on it. After you tap on this call, as you can see now, here it says video call. As you can see, it says video call or chat. So all you have to do now, tap on this section, turn off. Tap on this turn off again. So by turning this off, as you can see now, nobody can be able to call you on Instagram. Now you turn off call on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.